welcome back to the channel. It's me, searbear, and if you're new here, hello, my name is searbear. It is so nice to meet you. Dun dun dun. I'm back today with another recipe from the Adventure Time Cookbook. So, what are we making today? Oh my god, I'm so glad you asked. We are making dun dun chips and ice cream. Look at them. Chips, ice cream. So we're making chips and ice cream. Thank you again so much for the suggestion. I do apologize for how long it ended up taking me, but here we are. Here we are. It's transcribed by BMO. Chips, ice cream. Chips, 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 chips. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Chips, chips. That's it. That's it. And look at ice cream, bold. Chips, chips. So I don't think it's going to be too crazy, but I am curious because I haven't tried chips with ice cream, but I have tried like the fries with the ice cream. I like that, so maybe I'm thinking it'll be something like that. But there's 7 steps, which is kind of crazy to me. And there's a ½ cup of sugar involved, which is so low. Like, that's a lot of sugar. But yeah. In a casserole dish, freeze at least for 2 hours. Dude, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Crazy that I have to like freeze this for 2 hours? Because I have to put it in a dish? Crazy. I don't even think I could eat all of that in one sit down. Okay. I'm not sure how it's gonna go. I really am confused on doing the ice cream part, but I mean, hey, why not? And I don't know, the thing that I'm most worried about is the mess that it might make from that. So maybe I'll do like half of that, and maybe that'll be fine because I want to eat it all in one go instead of like, because knowing me, I'm not gonna eat, like, I love ice cream, but I get full of ice cream easily and my tummy hurts a little bit from ice cream because it's so delicious. But yeah, I think I'm going to just end up doing half instead. So I'll do half a pint and then 3 cups, 1 cup sugar. Yeah, I think it'll be fine if I do it like that. All right, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Not too bad. I guess we're gonna be making like roll ice cream. Kind of fancy. I only have vanilla. In the picture you use like sherbet, but I mean, I'm excited. Place ice cream in medium-sized scoops on a cookie sheet or casserole dish. Hello. Freeze for at least 2 hours. Oh, fuck. Sure, why not? Sure. Ice cream. Crush potato chips about the size of peas in a bowl and set aside. Chips! Chips! In a small saucepan on medium heat, mix 2 of the strawberries and the sugar and lemon juice. Oh! Cook until strawberries are completely soft, about 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and immediately add in the rest of the strawberries, stirring to combine. Transfer to another bowl. Put in refrigerator to cool. To serve, roll ice cream 1 scoop at a time in the potato chips until completely coated. Until completely coated? What if I just do this? Yeah, that looks completely coated. Chips! Ice cream! Oh. And here's the reveal. It looks like a child's frickin' dream, maybe. I don't know. I'm excited for this salty and sweet. Here it is. Okay, let's try it. This is good. This is good. I was like, I'm gonna have a tummy ache. I'm gonna have like all sorts of problems. Okay, chips and ice cream. Can't really go wrong with it. Awesome. This is dope. I really wasn't sure about the chips, dude. I was not sure. Another one done. My mouth's a little cold. But yay, we did it. This one was a super easy one. So, oh my god, thank you so much for the suggestion. It is awesome. It is awesome. Perfect for a lazy day. Or like, yeah, just a lazy day. But yay! Thank you again so much for leaving the suggestion. I truly do appreciate it. If there's anything that you guys want me to make from the Adventure Time Cookbook, I have a list of options right here for you. While I eat this. Pause to read if you need. Okay, that's enough. I am slowly getting through all of the list of what people have suggested. Trust me, I'm working on it. I have it all written down. So, yeah. I have been getting through a lot of the cookbook, like a very big chunk of it, and I'm honestly really happy about it. So, thank you again for everyone who has left a suggestion, and those of you who are being patient with me while you're still waiting on the suggestion you gave me. I'm sorry. But yay! That's all I got for you guys today. I want to thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it until the end. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Or not, you're in charge of yourself. Okay, bye! Hello? Oh, fuck. Sure, why not? Sure. Until completely coated. What if I just do this? Yeah, that looks completely coated. Chips! Ice cream! Oh. And here's the reveal. It looks like a child's frickin' dream, maybe. I don't know. I'm excited for this salty and sweet.